Hey guys, this is Chris with Spinning Grillers. We are at Valley Cottage as Spinning Grillers headquarters. Beautiful day today. We're showing you the Santa Maria grill. This grill can be used both with casters with its own base, or you can put it in your outdoor kitchen. So it goes both ways. You can use it for you can use it as a drop-in, or you can buy the stand. Let me take you really quick through, show you the Santa Maria grill. All right, so here we have your grid. This is where the meats, where the steaks go in. We have a drop pan for all your grease to come in. This is the crank. This is the crank handle. So what you do is you lift this up. I'm gonna try to do it with my two hands. Lift it up and then crank it up, or crank it down to the desired level. And that gives you control over the grid, so you can go up and down with your grid to make the meat at the desired cooking level. Also, a nice thing about this grill is it has a bar here. This is the hook bar, so you can get the S hooks and hook up your meat. You can do different kinds of meat hanging down here from that bar. This grill is very versatile. It has nice casters. And let me take you quickly through the inside of the grill. So it has a drop pan, a drop handle, so we can open it. We can access all the charcoal. You can add or remove ashes. It has, the bottom has a trolley. If you're buying it with the bottom, you can get the trolley to put the wood. Again, this is the Santa Maria grill, charcoal grill by Spinning Grillers.